For me, I would like to have the sport coaches to have more buy-in, same as how Coach Topex has buy-in. Because for me, I see Coach Topex like Greg Popovich. He's a forerunner of sports science in basketball, wherein he listens to load management. That's the reason why Spurs was so successful for so long. Players were only playing a certain amount of minutes because come playoffs they needed to peak. And Greg Popovich believed in his trainers, 'di ba? Just like Coach Topex believed in us. And we need more, coaches in the Philippines na ganyan. Lalo na in the pro level kasi in the NBA, yung peak ng mga basketball players in terms of strength and conditioning is when they get to the pros. Sa Philippines, yung peak ng mga basketball players in strength and conditioning is in college. And then you take a little bit of a dip when you get to the pros. Parang magiging mas less explosive. Yan yung hope namin ni Jello na yung mga players namin ngayon na nasa college, ini-educate namin of how things should be ran. Once they're the old ones and once they're the head coaches, sana maging ganun na.